High in the Cordillera mountain range of the Philippines lies a sight that takes your breath away. Emerald green steps climb thousands of feet up the mountainsides. These are the Banaue Rice Terraces, a testament to human ingenuity and harmony with nature. For 2,000 years, these terraces have nourished the Ifugao people. They are a living, growing monument to their ancestors. The Banaue Rice Terraces are often called the eighth wonder of the world, and they truly deserve this title. The terraces are a marvel of ancient engineering. They were built by hand, with simple tools, over generations. Today they remain a vital part of the local ecosystem. The terraces support a rich variety of plants and animals. They are a symbol of sustainable agriculture that has endured for centuries. But the Banaue Rice Terraces face challenges in the 21st century. Climate change, urbanization, and neglect threaten their existence. The Banaue Rice Terraces tell a story of human resilience and adaptation. They were carved from the rugged mountain slopes around 2,000 years ago. The Ifugao people, indigenous to this region, are the masterminds behind this incredible feat. They use simple tools and their deep knowledge of the land. Stones were carefully placed to create walls. Water channels were ingeniously designed for irrigation. These terraces are not merely agricultural feats. They are a testament to the Ifugao people's understanding of nature. The terraces work in harmony with the environment. They utilize the natural flow of water for irrigation. They create a unique microclimate that supports a diverse ecosystem. The terraces are a symbol of the Ifugao's deep spiritual connection to the land. They are a living legacy passed down through generations. The Banaue Rice Terraces are inseparable from the Ifugao culture and spirituality. They are a physical manifestation of the Ifugao's deep respect for nature. The terraces represent the Ifugao's understanding of balance and harmony. They believe in living in coexistence with the environment. This belief is woven into their daily lives and rituals. The Ifugao people have their own unique system of beliefs and rituals. These rituals are often centered around the agricultural cycle. They perform ceremonies to bless the seeds, the terraces, and the harvest. These traditions are passed down through generations. They are a testament to the enduring bond between the Ifugao people and their ancestral land. The survival of the terraces is vital for the preservation of the Ifugao culture. Section 4. Engineering a mountain paradise. The construction of the Banaue Rice Terraces is a feat of engineering that astounds even today. Imagine carving and stacking thousands of stone walls by hand up a mountain. That is what the Ifugao people achieved without modern tools or technology. They used their ingenuity, knowledge, and sheer determination. The terraces are a testament to the power of human collaboration. They were built and maintained by generations of Ifugao working together. The terraces were designed to maximize rice production. They follow the contours of the mountain, creating a series of steps. Water flows down from springs and streams at higher elevations. This natural irrigation system has sustained the terraces for centuries. The Banaue Rice Terraces are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit. Section 5. Modern threats to an ancient wonder. The Banaue Rice Terraces, while a symbol of enduring strength, face modern threats. Climate change is bringing unpredictable weather patterns. Droughts and heavy rainfall endanger the delicate balance of the terraces. Urbanization is another concern. Younger generations are seeking opportunities in cities. This leads to a decline in the number of farmers maintaining the terraces. Tourism, while bringing much-needed income, also poses a challenge. If not managed responsibly, tourism can put a strain on the fragile ecosystem. The increase in foot traffic can lead to erosion and damage to the terraces. The use of plastic and other non-biodegradable materials also poses a threat. We must find a balance between tourism and preservation. Section 6. Preserving our shared heritage. The Banaue Rice Terraces are not just a Philippine treasure. They are a global heritage site. It is our shared responsibility to protect and preserve them for future generations. We must support the Ifugao people in their efforts to maintain this ancient wonder. Sustainable tourism is key. We can promote responsible travel that benefits the local community. We must raise awareness about the importance of the terraces. Educating the world about their history, culture, and ecological significance is crucial. Supporting organizations involved in conservation efforts is vital. We can contribute to projects focused on restoring damaged terraces. We can also support initiatives promoting sustainable farming practices. Let us come together to protect this wonder of the world. Let us ensure that the Banaue Rice Terraces continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.
Hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Let's stay informed and engaged. Catch you in the next one.